Howdy everybody, Fidgetum here. Today I have a Master 410 with the 400 keyway. I don't see a lot of the 400 keyways. I don't know why. I don't know if they're less common or just less popular, or maybe I'm just not looking hard enough, but a lot of times I see people with the 401s. I think that's because that's the most common one. I didn't intentionally get this keyway. I just bought these in like a bulk lot off of eBay. So that's what I've got. This one I will be gutting though, because since I got it in a bulk lot, one of the first things I did was find the one that I thought was easiest to pick, and then I cut it open because I wanted to know what was inside. So click out of 1, a little counter rotation, and click out of 2, 3, 4, 5, no, that was 6. Release pressure, drop things down again. 1, now leave 2 alone. 2, 3, 4, nothing there. And I don't pick these very often because I don't know, I just don't. Not one of my favorite locks to pick. As a result, I'm not very good at picking them. A little bit out of 6, 5, 2, no, that was 1. Apparently I can't count anymore. Also, your package should be going out tomorrow. I forgot I almost missed it because I forgot that Veterans Day was Monday and all the post offices would be closed, and all of my, because I ordered a thing for you and I forgot that it would be showing up late. But luckily I fudged my delivery date time a little bit, so you won't notice at all. And who's the other guy who wanted to trade with me? Oh, we got it open. Okay, hold on. Chaz, there we go. I sent you an email, buddy, so hopefully, if you're still interested. Oh, that's right. Anyway, this is open now, as you can see. That's what the keyway looks like. Oh yeah, it's key retaining. Lock that back up, and there we go. Other news, I think I'm going to reduce my machining uploads to once a week because there doesn't seem to be a lot of interest, and also they take a lot of time to make. So I think I'm just going to drop those on Mondays now. Call it Maker's Monday. See if I can get that hashtag going. I don't know. We'll see how that works out. Okay. There we go. That's what these look like on the inside, if you didn't know. Copper core, ball bearing shackle, which turns like that and then lets the shackle come out. and then because there's no corresponding cutout, or the cutout isn't deep enough, it can't relock until it is back to where it's supposed to be. I wonder if you could put the core from a different padlock in one of these if you wanted. I mean, maybe. I think these have the same tailpiece as my Federal cores, actually. Hold on. Yeah, they do. They have the exact same tailpiece as a Federal. Huh. So if you need a new core for your Federal padlock, you can cut open a Master 410. Life hack of the day. Okay. These don't have a C-clip, but what you can do, see, they're just crimped. So if you rotate the bottom of the keyway to that crimp, they will slide out. Yep, there we go. And I don't think my battery trick is going to work on this, but I'm going to try. Because I think the crimp is going to get in the way. Shim? Where? Fuck it. It'll be fine. It will not be fine. No, that crimp's going to get in the way. Okay. So we're going to do this the stupid way. Let's turn it right side up so the pins don't fall out. See? Like I said, all you gotta do, flip it so that that goes with. And this is pin 6. So it's not the exact same core as in the American S11. The Bible has definitely been cheapified. And the spools might be the same though. I haven't actually looked at them side by side, so I don't know for sure. But there are no serrated pins, at least not in this one. They are all spools with copper springs. Other thing I think I'm going to do for the making stuff is I think I need to learn how to edit videos so that I can like time lapse, because I think that would help. Because what I've noticed from a lot of other channels that like Alex Steele or Ave, guys who machine or forge or whatever, they usually don't show the raw, unedited manufacturing process because it just takes so long. So I think I need to time lapse and like do proper editing. I don't think I can just do raw footage like I do with picking videos and have it turn out okay. Nothing in the core, as you might expect. It's all stock, and the Bible is also all stock. But here is your close-up of what these pins look like. Just little tiny spools, relatively sharp actually. They give me some trouble sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. These often give me more trouble than American 1100s do. Well, 5-pin 1100s, not the 6-pin ones. The 6-pin ones are somehow extra nasty. But anyway, that's it for Lotto Tuesday, assuming I get this posted in the next hour and it's still Tuesday. Otherwise it's Lotto Wednesday and I'm just late. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Goodbye.